this is kind of fun, but we discovered that whatever sealer our old contractor had me use on the floor has left all of the tiles very cloudy. So now I get to go tile by tile and clean them up. There's this almost like a film on it, and I tried using like Windex, which is what he told me to get off of it.
And then I'll just wipe it up. I can wipe it up tomorrow with like just my Windex. I use Windex on it.
And that's not working, of course. So you can see a good one right here. And the best way to do this is to go tile by tile with my friend, the magic eraser. So I've done 2, and I have a sea of beautiful blue tile to do. And I'm just gonna watch The Bachelor and go tile by tile and hopefully knock this out.
He is somebody who I truly see possibly working out there.
If I am continuing down this path with her.
These things usually make everybody cough. Alright, go get gloves.
Sorry,
My dad,
Desmond.
my little brother.
Right.
Yes.
The one, Desmond Jr., which is yes.
Good job, you did well.
Wait, you're supposed to use these wet? Hold on. You're supposed to use this wet? How to use wet, squeeze, erase? Are you kidding me? Let's try this again. Wet, squeeze, erase. Ugh. Why don't I ever read the labels on things? Let's see if it works better when it's wet. Way less dusty. God, I cannot believe this is why. This is cool. Cool update. I'm up to about that point. Noodle is helping. You can see. Oh God, I missed a spot. It's cleaner. There's not a film, which you can see here. So that still has the film. And then over here, it's cleaner. So I still have basically from here over to do, and I've been doing this for 4 hours. But look at how dapper he is in his bandana. Such a good looking noodle. Another day, more drywall repair. Here's the list. Short list. Still haven't finished cleaning up the floor. You can see where it looks normal over here. Still cloudy. But we're getting door hardware. Okay. Spring now. We can have our outdoor kitchen again.
Come full circle.
At least we have a huge fridge again. We don't have to use the mini fridge anymore. But yeah, so this is our kitchen stuff. That pile is back. It's no longer being stored in the van. Sean can once again sit in the Eames chair and prepare meals in the microwave. Hi, Ken.
Hi.
is where the murders happen.
Drywall later.
Yeah! Contractor jokes. We're starting the process of changing out the window. You can see we've started removing pieces of drywall, and basically it's going to be brought up to be the same level here with the countertop or cabinets, so that our backsplash can be a clean line all the way up to here. So it'll be like that. And then I would say the biggest change has been all of this drywall work that Kit has done. Definitely look at the blog post to see the before and after on this, but this has been huge. Like, our house and ceiling will never be perfect. We know that, but the fact that this much improvement has been done because of shoddy contractor work, shoddy drywall work, I mean, this is huge. You can even see just how messed up it is. Like, just look at this gap. This is a straight piece of baseboard, but they didn't shim any of the drywall. So when they put drywall against an old wall, they didn't shim it, and so there's a giant gap, which is just absurd. You can see also that Kit made this absolutely beautiful maple threshold. It's really beautiful and stunning. And part of why it's so big is because the floors were uneven and there was a big gap there, and just all these issues that were never fixed by our old contractor. So he fixed that, and it's stunning. There's going to be one also here to transition into the bathroom, but this is basically temporary because this tile will continue into the bathroom when we can finally renovate it. So then there's the update here with the closet. Our trash container is there. I don't think it's fully installed yet because we keep having to mess with the area around it, but you can see we've put in some racks for some shelving. I'm considering actually wallpapering this closet and making it a really interesting, impactful moment. Like when you walk through this doorway, having some wallpaper. Tell me what you guys think about that. So we're waiting for the gas line inspection. We have to fix the plumbing for the pop filler. We still have a few electrical boxes to put in, and then we also have to patch this because we had to lower the oven again to accommodate for the cooktop. With the countertops and all of that, there was a little bit of confusion. So our solve for it is to use these extra pieces that Master Brand included. You can use pieces like this to fill in and create like a really nice flush look. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take it and we're gonna put it here so that it lines up with the cabinets around it and matches and has that shaker look, which I think is a really good solution. And I mean, it's already the right color, it matches, it's painted on all the sides, so this is a really good, easy solve for us. So a few things still left to do. Need to fill in the vent hole. I still need to order that. The countertops are going in really soon, which I'm so excited about. And then, yeah, everything's kind of the same in here. Just ready to paint and put some shelving up in here. Really excited about that, to get this all organized. So that is, you know, a quick update about the kitchen. I know so many of you have asked me, why is this taking so long? What's going on? What the hell? Why is this taking literally 9 months? And, you know, it just has been an ordeal of a project, and I appreciate all of your patience, your encouragement, your advice. I genuinely feel like if I didn't have you guys helping me with this along the way, I'd probably have a lot more gray hairs and would be like losing my mind. I'd probably have like sold the house already, who even knows. So I really just wanted to end this video by thanking you so much for all of your support during this renovation.